As a beginner motorcyclist, getting on the highway for your first time can be very intimidating and scary, and one wrong move could get you seriously injured or even killed. So in this video, I'm going to show you 10 mistakes beginner riders make on the highway and how you can avoid them so you can feel safe, confident, and make it to your destination in one piece. All right, so you just got on the highway. I know, it's a little scary, right? But don't worry, I'm going to be right here with you to help you not only watch out for, but correct any mistakes you might be making. Speaking of which, are you maintaining a safe distance from the vehicle in front of you? Number 1, following too closely. Maintaining insufficient distance from the vehicle in front can lead to collisions if sudden braking occurs. Nice job keeping some space between you and other vehicles, and you even made a lane change. But did you check your blind spots before changing lanes? Number 2, not checking blind spots. Failing to check blind spots before changing lanes can result in accidents with unseen vehicles. Good, you're checking your blind spots now, but how's your speed looking? Number 3, speeding. Exceeding speed limits reduces reaction time and increases the risk of losing control. You're sticking to the speed limit. Great work. But are you riding in a position that maximizes your visibility to other drivers? Number 4, improper lane positioning. Riding too close to the center or edge of the lane can make it difficult for other vehicles to see you and increase the risk of collisions. You're in a much better lane position now, but I see another huge mistake, and one we definitely should have caught sooner. Are you wearing the proper protective gear for highway riding? Number 5, inadequate gear. Not wearing proper protective gear such as helmets, jackets, gloves, and boots increases the risk of severe injuries in case of an accident. Gear that's effective at lower speeds might not offer the same level of protection at these highway speeds. Is this a mistake you've ever made? If so, then make sure and watch until the end to learn about the huge gear mistakes beginner riders are making and how you can avoid them. Good, we're protected now, but have you planned your route and familiarized yourself with highway exits and entries? Number 6, lack of planning. Not planning the route or being unfamiliar with highway exits and entries can lead to dangerous last-minute maneuvers. You're planning ahead. This is great. Okay, next question. Are you regularly checking your mirrors and turning your head to check those blind spots? Number 7, poor mirror usage. Relying solely on mirrors without turning your head to check blind spots can result in missing critical information about surrounding traffic. Nice job checking those mirrors and blind spots, but I've seen you make a couple quick lane changes. Are you being honest about your riding skills and avoiding risky behavior? Number 8, overconfidence. Underestimating the complexity of highway riding and overestimating one's skills can lead to risky behavior and accidents. Good, you're giving the highway the respect it deserves, but now it looks like some storm clouds are moving in and it's starting to rain. Have you adjusted your riding for the current weather conditions? Number 9, ignoring weather conditions. Riding in adverse weather without proper adjustments in speed and gear increases the likelihood of accident. Nice job, we made it through the storm, but you're looking a little tired. Are you well rested and focused before hitting the highway? Hey look, a squirrel. Number 10, fatigue and distraction. Riding while tired or distracted significantly impairs reaction times and decision-making abilities. Excellent job, really. You've come a long way since the start of this journey, and your riding has really improved. Well, this is my exit, but if you've still got farther to go, don't worry. Asking yourself these questions before getting going and as you ride can help you reflect on your habits and catch any mistakes you might be making. By being aware of these mistakes and taking proactive measures to avoid them, beginner riders can feel more confident, have more fun, and ensure a safer and more enjoyable highway riding experience. Are there any other mistakes you can think of or any tips you think would help new riders on the highway? Let us know in the comments so we can all be safer on the roads. So now you're feeling more confident about the highway. What if you feel like you're still making mistakes when it comes to protective gear? Well, then watch this video next to learn about the huge gear mistakes beginner riders are making and how you can avoid them.